Ready? Let's go.
Hi, I'm Destiny and I'm a KT Demo Tech. On my weak side is my KT C-clip. Just like all of our products, there are no proprietary parts. This C-clip uses our trademark bolt patterns and you don't need special tools. As you may have noticed, our strap is off to the side and this has two key benefits. Notice my weak hand falls naturally in line with the strap for easy release. Secondly, this offset strap fully engages the handcuffs or cheek plates. By capturing the cheek plates, the ratchet is no longer required to be dead centered. Another great feature of our KT C-clip is that the cuffs are not parallel. Other handcuff carries will require you to have these cuffs in line with each other, but you'll quickly learn that they really don't want to be in line because of the nature of their design. We at KT are all about making things easy on you. Just put them in there with the cuff slightly forward of the other and lock them into place. It's as easy as that. We'll see you at the range.
Ready? Let's go.